We're talking from this beautiful Dubai airport, and we went first of all from Ottawa to Toronto, then from Toronto to Dubai, and now we're going to go from Dubai to Calcutta.
Yeah.
And it's very exciting. I've never been on a plane before, so it makes it truly like
so. And
thrilling
this is a
for
trip
me.
of a lifetime.
Oh yeah,
These were your words.
Yes,
Okay.
it's like I'd never been on an airplane in my life.
So going from that to a 3-flight vacation,
yes, like
is going to be amazing.
Yeah, off the charts,
Yeah,
definitely. Yeah.
absolutely.
And it is really beautiful here. I look around, I see it's very beautiful.
It's a little
It's not like anything I ever imagined.
Yeah, but it's a little expensive, which we appreciated and which we anticipated. So, but we're still doing okay. We had something to eat, and we're going to be boarding the plane in a few hours.
Yeah,
and
another few hours.
Yeah, and we're really excited.
We're really going to be flying.
And this is, and pun intended, and this is you being excited after about 17 hours flight.
Yes.
I think at this point. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
My sweetheart and I are on the plane from Dubai. We're going to Kolkata.
Yeah.
And I'm sort of, it's like an exciting adventure.
Yeah.
On Air Emirates.
Yeah. The breakfast is really awesome. It's went here. It's some kind of vegetable chops, pickles, and gravy, some kind of dessert. This is here, which we can eat. And George is getting the Indian scrambled eggs. I'm watching a documentary of the Kennedys, and I noticed this beautiful sunset. It's just gorgeous. So beautiful. Can't wait to reach Calcutta. So how do you like it so far?
So far I've noticed it's a blend of the old world, of, say, Asia, with bicycles.
It is Asia. It's in the continent of Asia.
But you know what I mean? Like
Okay, so
bicycles.
what we'll
And
do.
also there's modern.
So we were talking to Mr. What's your name, sir? What should I address you as? Okay. So we were talking to him, and he kindly explained that we can have full kofir. Right now they're selling full kofir and street food. Okay, and also we can go to certain places. So we're deciding on what we're going to do today. But it's very exciting to see the landscape.
And look at the palm trees.
Yeah, it's really neat. Like, I'm so excited. I'm not tired at all. And you brought a bunch of masks.
Yeah, they're in the yellow bag.
Okay, we're thinking maybe we can go to Kilapon today.
They got lots of gold, eh?
কি সুন্দর জুয়েলারি এখানটা পাচ্ছি আর এখান থেকে আর এখানটা তারপরে সুন্দর বিভিন্ন টাইপ অফ ফ্লাশ টয়েস টেডি বিয়ার্স জামা ধূপ এখন তো জাস্ট মানে আরম্ভ করছে আর কি ভালো লাগছে সুন্দর ওয়েদার আজকে বৃষ্টি নেই, মানে রোদ, ওয়েদারটাও একটু কুল টাইপ, খুব ভালো লাগছে। So we're gonna go have the buffet and it looks really, really good. It's like so much, and what excites me is that it's unusual Indian food. It's not the kind of stuff that we would have in Canada, and that is really, really nice. So they have an Indian hot buffet, they have the Asian, like all sorts of wonderful things.
3894 total, including all taxes.
And they have like more stuff here. Like even the desserts, it's like so great. So we're just gonna get started. It's right over there, so can't wait. So this is Calcutta chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that looks good.
I know you told me. I don't know. There's not a.
What
Okay,
does that
this one
say?
says slow cooked pork, but I don't know how you.
Just a tiny amount.
Oh, that's hot. Hot, hot.
Okay, that's okay then. Don't bother.
Skip that one. Lamb? Oh, you're not gonna want lamb.
No.
I understand why. This is good. This is good.
What is it?
Chicken and steak.
Okay, thank you. খুব ভালো লাগছে, পটলের দোলমা, পালক পনির, আলুর হাট্টিকি প্রিপারেশন, গ্রিল চিকেন, তারপরে হচ্ছে মাটনের কষা মাংসের মতো একটা সামথিং, রিয়েলি রিয়েলি অ্যামেজিং। You say what you just said?
It's a very good buffet.
What's your favorite thing?
That is a fire. Well, I like mutton. I like
Okay.
fish. I like the fish. I like the mutton. I like the chickpeas and stuff. It's
Okay, and we have dessert too. Lots of good desserts.
Yep.
So Christmas Eve, we're having this delicious Indian buffet, Bengali buffet, and they're playing live music and saying wishing you a Merry Christmas. All turkey stuff, and he's very happy.
Very happy, yes.
I
saw the turkey, but then, you don't like turkey.
George, I had a really good idea. You kept saying you wanted to know what to buy me for Christmas.
Yeah.
Why don't you buy me Christmas gift together right now? Like after we eat. We still have time to go to the
Yeah, but we
market.
have to wait till midnight.
No, Christmas Eve, you buy my Christmas gift at the mall. Is that okay? Okay. So can you get me some dessert, like tiramisu and chocolate?
Yeah, I got this stuff.
Okay, thank you.
Everything I want the world to be is not coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here, the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation.
I got you.
Thank you.
It's your love.
This is caravan soup.
Thank you.
And this, I think, looks so good, I had to bring it to you.
খবর না, এটাকে একটা জাস্ট ছোট ভিডিও করতে পারি, মানে টিফিন খেলছে এটা নিয়ে, সোনা 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 সোনা, তুমি খুব মিষ্টি।
You do. She's got big brown eyes too.
তুমি খুব সফট এন্ড জেন্টল, খুব। আর সিঙ্গারা খাচ্ছি, চা, আর বাইরে সেই সুন্দর পাখির ডাক, কি ভালো লাগছে, কি
She's
ভালো
so
লাগছে।
cute.
তিতি বর্ণালী
পার্থ দাদা বললো আমাদের চিকেন হবে, প্রন হবে, শ্রিম্প হবে। Oh my gosh, what's that?
Santa.
The hotel, he tried to screw us by, he wanted us to pay twice for the room, plus we had to pay, they wanted 4,000 rupees
Yeah,
for,
we told him. We told Parth.
that's a major con job.
Simoni.
That's bad.
Don't worry about it. Just
What do you mean, don't worry about it? You listen to. Oh, this is it. Okay.
এটা কি বলতে পারো?
I just, yeah.
Oh my gosh, বৌদি তুমি অত করেছো? আমি তো ভাবতেই পারছি না। এটা মাছ?
হ্যাঁ, এটা
মাংস
কাতলা মাছ?
না, পাতলা মাছ।
ও পাতলা মাছ।
এটা পাবদা মাছ।
হ্যাঁ, পাতলা মাছ।
আচ্ছা দই I think card is not had at
No,
Canada.
definitely sweet দই যেটা।
Sweet
curd.
doi,
Oh my
Sweet
gosh,
curd.
কত জিনিস।
ও বাবা।
No, George, don't worry. What about the food?
The fish is beautiful.
Yeah.
And this is beautiful, right?
We don't get fish in Canada like this.
Not like this, though. Not right out of the lake.
করে দেবে fish.
No, তার জন্য আমি বলি
we
না।
have,
আমি তার জন্য
oh,
বলি
we do
না।
have big fish, but like my,
আচ্ছা, তুমি বলছো বৌদিরে জিজ্ঞাসা করলাম চিকেন চাপটা অত ভালো হয়েছে, কি করে করেছো? আর তুমি বলছো তুমি আমাকে লিখে দেবা।
হ্যাঁ।
ওকে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা। আমরা কণিকা উজ্জ্বলের বাড়িতে পৌঁছেছি, আর আমি একটু ভিডিও নিচ্ছি সবাই। হোস্টেস কণিকা রয়। সো একদম সে বলছে, আমরা বোঝাচ্ছি ও কিচ্ছু বেশি করে নেই,
কিছু বেশি করে।
কিচ্ছু বেশি
দেখলে
করি নেই,
বুঝতে পারবে তোমরা, কিছুই বেশি করে।
কিচ্ছু বেশি করি নেই। আর ডেফিনেশন অফ দ্যাট ইজ দিস। এটা হচ্ছে রয়্যাল ফিস্ট। আচ্ছা, এটা হচ্ছে মাটনের তরকারি, এটা হচ্ছে মাছ কি মাছ? এটা কি পোস্ত? কাতলার পোস্ত। আর এটা হচ্ছে চাটনি, আর ওইটা হচ্ছে মিষ্টি, আর এটা হচ্ছে বেগুন ভাজা, সেটা আমি জানি। আর এটা হচ্ছে লাল শাক। ওকে, ওখানটা হচ্ছে স্যালাড কিউকাম্বার। ইট ইজ অ্যামেজিং। George, what's your feeling?
it's very beautiful. Wow.
It's wow.
Yeah, I can play, but I'm not really good.
No, it didn't.
No, but I can play cricket, but I'm not good.
আমরা ঝুমার বাড়িতে আছি, কতগুলো রান্না, সুন্দর গন্ধ, আর তারপরে গান হচ্ছে, আর আমরা জাস্ট
I can play, but I'm not good.
সুন্দর বাড়ি।
I'm good at lacrosse,
Sunder
though.
buddy.
Lacrosse. Well, it's minus 75. That's like dry.
এখন ঝুমা এইটারে লেচি করছে। লেচি, ও সরি, লেচি। হ্যাঁ, ও এরকম করে এই রোলটা করে টু মেক ইট রাউন্ড। ওকে। আচ্ছা,
It will release
Oh,
water, further
wow.
water. It will release further water and it will
Fantastic.
become more soft.
ওকে, খুব ভালো,
See?
খুব ভালো। ক্রিসমাস ডেতে আমি যা ফান হ্যাভ করছি, আই ক্যান্ট এক্সপ্লেন ইট।
How is Victoria Memorial?
ও খুব ভালো। আমরা তো সাইট সিন করিনি অ্যাকচুয়ালি, উই ডিডন্ট হ্যাভ দ্যাট চান্স। নো,
You don't have the time, na?
নো,
You have to visit all of them, so how could you?
নো।
Actually, Kolkata has certain things that you should visit. One is Victoria Memorial. Another one is zoo, obviously,
Yeah.
but you couldn't make it.
No, I couldn't. I am fine. আমি যেটা বলেছি, আমি তোমাদের দেখতে চাই, তোমাদের সঙ্গে টাইম কাটাতে চাই।
okay.
George is enjoying, but he said, "Oh, we couldn't see this."
Actually, he is visiting a new city, na? That's
definitely.
Right. He is visiting a new city, so what happens to us also? যে আমরা যদি কোথাও নতুন যাচ্ছি, তো we try to have a complete look
Oh yeah, definitely.
for that city.
But it's also because আমরা 6 days literally
6 days এত কিছু you cannot cover. Obviously, you are going. তুমি কতজনের বাড়িতে গেছো বলো? তুমি
মাসি, তোমরা মাসি, পার্থ দাদা, মিতা দি, আজকে যাচ্ছি আমার আরেকজন দিদিরা হোল গ্রুপ করছে।
কোথায় থাকে সে?
আই ডোন্ট নো সামবার থাকে। পার্থ দাদা বলেছে, আমার মনেও নেই এখন।
ওকে,
বাট আর তারপরে জানিও না আর কে ভিজিট করেছি, বাট ইট ফেল্ট লাইক এভরি সিঙ্গল ডে সামনের বাড়িতে যাচ্ছি।
So you are visiting, say, 7 to 8 people.
হ্যাঁ,
7 to 8 houses. So in 6 days, 7 houses.
হ্যাঁ, তার মধ্যে শপিংও করেছি,
শপিংও
সাউথ
করেছো,
সিটিতে গেছি,
একটা গেট টুগেদারও করেছো,
everything
you have
করেছি।
done.
তারপরে ইয়ে করেছি, সেটা মনে পড়ছে না কিছু। ওকে,
Just try that. That looks so good.
see,
Wow.
isn't that amazing? That's
I
what my
know.
mother and father used to make, not the thing I make.
Wow. Well, hers is like flat.
Okay.
What that is,
Yours
I
is
don't
like
know.
flat, eh? Maybe you don't. But it's just maybe she doesn't know how to get the air into
No,
it.
fried rice
Because
is-
that looks really puffy.
Looks really beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Looks really good.
Yeah.
এটা আমার লাইফের একটা one or two failure, massive failure how to make luchi. Life change.
তুমি লুচি
I have
খাবে?
time.
না, তুমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি দাদাকে ওখানে দিও, তুমি পাঁচটায় বসো।
আমি ওখানে কর্নারে যাচ্ছি,
আমি
দাদা
দাদাকে এখানে বসিয়ে দিই।
না, জর্জ বসবে না।
আচ্ছা, জর্জ বল।
হ্যাঁ, আমি কর্নারে যাচ্ছি।
তুই আসবি, তাই তুই এখানটায় বসিস।
কেন ওখানটা?
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তুই কর্নারটায় চলে যা তাহলে।
It's too bad I don't have a coin. We could flip a coin and sit square.
No.
No.
Actually, that place was for mine most of the time.
Oh, okay.
He used
Oh, wow.
ও একেবারে যেটা আমরা খাই, একেবারে কালো জিরে দিছ, একেবারে।
And I do. This is really nice.
This is so good. Oh my gosh, আমি আর লিভ করব না, আমি এখানটাই থেকে যাব।
একদম।
You think you could
always
do?
welcome.
Now do you think you could do Lucci?
No. I'm gonna try, okay, but don't get mad
No,
if
I
it's
don't
not gonna
get-
be
I'm
this
not gonna
good.
get mad.
If it's one half as good as this, then we'll do a dance,
We'll do it.
some kind of dance. Thank you.
ফ্রাইড রাইস আছে, তাই ব্যাপারে জাস্ট দুটো লুচি দিলাম আপাতত।
না, দিলেও হতো।
লুচিটা না দিলেও হবে? আচ্ছা, আমি আসলে কাউকে প্রেশারাইজ করি, কারণ আমরা তো জেনে
বসছি।
বেসন।
না, গার্লিক, অনিয়ন, then
garlic?
chili.
Found
Thank you.
around 70 to 80 people presently in US.
So আমরা blind bag again খেলছি।
Or
Oh,
you can have this too if you want.
No.
You don't need a belt?
okay.
No.
No, you don't want?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. And I just got. Okay, so don't look. And then I'll go to the next person.
Oops.
Don't look. Sorry.
No.
I'll just put the chair.
I'll come down over there so that it will help you.
Okay, so you pick. Yeah, don't look.
No, I'm not looking over there.
Okay. So he got.
The game is
got it. He
very
got a
exciting.
beaver. That's good. Well, that's big for Canada.
One second, please. Yes. I'm taking video.
Wise man says, only fools rush in, for I can't help falling in love with you.